Guys, after posting some pics of my upcycled shirts on Instagram, a lot of you wanted to know what technique I used to write something on them. Since it's super quick and easy, I decided to just make a little video and show you how to go from this to this in just about half an hour. Here's what you're gonna need. An old plain shirt without any patterns that you basically never wear but for some reason haven't thrown away yet. A print of whatever you want to write on it, duct tape, textile markers and an iron. When looking for the right kind of shirt, make sure that it's a lighter color and a little bit see-through when held against the light. Use a program like Microsoft Word to design what you want to write and select a typeface that's not too small or complex, since you won't be able to erase mistakes you make with the markers. Print it out, slide it beneath the front of your shirt and stick it down with duct tape. Prepare a few more strips of duct tape next to a window that's facing the sun. Then hold your shirt up to where it's easiest for you to write on it and tape it to the glass pane. Make sure to attach every edge of the shirt so that it won't move around while you write on it, but be very careful not to stretch the fabric too much, because this could cause the letters to bend and then it's just gonna look really shitty when you detach it later. Put on some nice music, sit down in front of the window and start tracing the letters with your textile marker. You should be able to accurately see the words due to the backlight. Depending on your design, this could take a little longer, but I would really advise you to stay concentrated and not rush it, because if you make a mistake, you can't undo it. When you've finished, carefully detach your shirt without touching the potentially still wet paint. Remove the paper and let it dry for a bit. Then briefly iron it to make sure the letters don't look washed out too quickly, and you're done.